Alright YouTube, well, welcome back to the channel. As I said in the last video, this is the brand new pallet of 6-cord mini log lift firewood bags, and we have an order going out for half the pallet. So there are 300 bags on this pallet, so we're going to cut this open, and I've got one of our older log lift bags. Got a couple holes in it and things, but it's been around for a while. So whenever we do a big quantity like this, instead of trying to stack everything on a pallet, then they slide off, I try to keep everything, control the chaos, if you will, and we just stuff everything inside an existing log lift bag, tie it up, put it in the back of somebody's pickup truck, and kiss it goodbye. So let's get this one open, and we'll get rolling from there. Just had to go and find my pocket knife. Ta-da! The grand reveal, right? So there they are. The little unloading loops in the bottom, then the mosquito netting, the ventilated sides. That's our 6th of a cord mini log lift firewood bags. So let's get chucking them in here. Of course, we'll go to time lapse on this one, and we'll see when we're done. So just as a size comparison, this is the regular log lift firewood bag with 1/3 of a cord in it, and this is one of the mini log lift bags with a 1/6 of a cord in it. So you just saw us load all those bags in there. This is what our customer is looking to do. He's going to take these in the back of a pickup truck, probably 2 at a time, and just 2 guys can pull it right out of the back of the truck, no equipment needed. And you know, firewood prices vary from area to area. He's hoping to get like $100 a piece for something like this, with like a $10 core deposit on the bag itself. That way he can get it back in good reusable condition. But just again, wanted to show you the difference: 1/3 and 1/6. All right, so just for clarification purposes, I was just reading the label here, and there are 360 bags on a full pallet. So we pulled off 150 for our customer. He'll come down here over the weekend and grab them. So just like all of the other videos, we would love to earn your business with a sales quote. The bags are by far one of the easiest pieces that we sell because they're available online for easy purchases, and it's an all-inclusive cost. So when you look at the bag price that we have listed, yes, I actually do that for each one. That's the bag, a credit card fee, and the shipping all figured into that bag price. So there's the log lift bags, the power lift bags, and now the new 1/6 of a cord mini log lift firewood bags. So if you want to visit shaverequipment.com, it's SHAV like Victor, ER equipment.com. You'll just come down to where it says firewood bags. You click on that. It shows you the 3 bags that we sell plus the bag rack. We are selling the bag rack. It's $1,150. You can't buy it online because the freight cost changes state to state, so call me on our 833 splitter line and we'll go over all those details on that. But if you click on each one of the bags, it comes down to 4 easy order quantities. We have sample quantities out there in the log lift and the power lift. It's 12 bags for the sample order. The 1/6 of a cord, we can get 18 of those into a nice FedEx size box, so that'll ship right to your door. All of the prices are here on the screen or over on the website, so if you just kind of watch through here what we're doing on the video or visit the website is going to be the easiest way of doing it. The log lift bags have been off to a fabulous start. It's just the middle of February now and we haven't done this much in a single month yet, and we're just off to a great start. They've revolutionized how we do firewood here in northeastern Pennsylvania, just from not having to handle it quite so much and the fact that they dry out the firewood super fast. So if we can get you anything else, a quote on for like our brute force stuff, the Halverson stuff, the black splitter stuff, the log loader trailers, anything like that, give me a phone call. It's 833 splitter. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. So we're going to get this pallet cleaned up, get it put away in dry storage, and move on from there, folks. But would love to earn your business. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. We'll see you next time.